Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a simple and fun twist on making the most mouth-watering banana bread. Let's get right into it. First, we'll start off by peeling 3 ripe bananas, then mash them up in a big bowl until smooth. The riper they are, the sweeter your bread will be. Add in 1/3 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 2 eggs, mix them. Add in 1/2 cup of milk, one teaspoon of vanilla extract. Time to bring in the dry ingredients. Toss in 1.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Gently fold it all together. Be careful not to overmix or your bread won't be as fluffy. Now for the best part of this recipe, the chocolate chunks. Carefully fold them into your batter and remember to save a few to sprinkle on top. Pour your batter into a greased loaf pan and add those extra chocolate chunks on top. Bake at 175 degrees Celsius for about 40 to 50 minutes. Once baked, let the bread cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. This was perfectly golden on the outside, soft and chocolatey on the inside. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that button so you don't miss more delicious videos. Let me know in the comments what your favorite twist on banana bread is, and also let me know what other recipes you'd like to see next. Thank you for watching.